Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Bruno Aluminium and Stainless Steel this morning. We are here at East Legon, around Lagos Avenue for this office partition. This morning we are here to do the office partition with plasterboard.
Welcome back to the channel once again, and that was Bruno for you earlier on. I have to do the voiceover because there was so much noise with the machine, and as you can see the room is like empty, so the echo was so loud, so I just have to chip in to give the commentary of of what is happening. So as Bruno said earlier on, this is going to be a partition of office using plasterboard and also galvanized steel. As you can see, they've already done the setting layout of the office, the rooms. They've done or demarcated all the rooms and stuff, which we will be seeing later. So Bruno is our balustrade windows. When it comes to anything metal, Bruno is there for you. I have a playlist for him on my channel. If you go there, it's called Bruno Aluminium. You'll see all the amazing projects Bruno has been working on. He works across I will say West Africa, because he has been to Togo, Benin, Cote d'Ivoire. He speaks French also, so those of you that can express yourself in French, Bruno speaks French as well, so you can get in touch with him. So let's get back to today's video. This is the day 2 of the the office partition, and you can see the plasterboard are ready. They've already mounted all the galvanized steel, right? So this is an office space, right? But you can use this method if you are someone who wants to build a hotel, or someone who wants to maybe a guest house, right? And you don't want to put in so much block work, and because sometimes changing of stuff, especially if you use block to build and you want to change maybe in the next 10 years, 5 years, it's a lot of mess, it's a lot of work. But this method, I mean, this is what we use in a shipping container, right? So if you go to my playlist, I've done projects with containers. This is the same method. I have also seen hotels using the same method, right? So they have they build a structure, and then later they demarcate with the rooms, and it is just like sleeping overs, right? Because most people don't stay indoors, right? Because it's like they go on vacation, right? So they are not staying indoors, so they really need a place to just put their stuff and a place to sleep. During the day they are out there hiking, doing whatever, and then at night they just come to sleep, and then the next day. So it's a great idea. As you can see, this can just be a room, simple. And maybe in the next 5 years you want to change it, you can still use the galvanized steel, right? You can still use to create another space. So yeah, I just wanted to share this idea with you. Maybe if you have a bigger space and you're thinking of what you can use it for, these are some of the things that you can create. So if you are interested and you want to know more details, right, so you contact Bruno. That is his number here on the screen, and then any pros and cons, he will be able to explain it right to you. right? So if you are interested, Bruno is your guy. And if you also want to create, office space like this with windows, everything, Bruno can plan it very well for you with his team, right? And by the way, this video comes in 2 parts, so make sure you stay to the end of today's video so that you see the glasswork balustrade that we did for a client.
Morning viewers, welcome to Bruno Aluminium and Stainless Work. This is another big project right here at Cape Coast. You are at Cape Coast right now. You came late yesterday with the glasses for the installation of the frameless balustrades. So this morning we are coming to install the spigots and the glasses. Stay with me and let me show you how we started. As you can see, the materials are ready and all the glasses are ready. These are all the glasses for the installation and for the shower cubicles. This is tempered glass, as you can see. So for the staircase, we are going to do the stainless balustrade here, as you can see. And previously, I came to install this balustrade. It was very nice for the owner, so he decided to do the same at the staircase. So we are going to do it. Shortly, I'll show you after the work how is it. Right here, we are going to install the barrister here. Previously, the owner did a wood here, but it wasn't nice, it wasn't perfect, the finishing wasn't good, so he decided to remove it so that we can install the stainless glass over there. And I will show you how it ended up. And this morning we started with the installation of the spigot. As you can see, the boys at work. I'm going to install all the spigot. And after we will install the glasses inside. You can see the boys at work. Those are the screws and the rope plug that will hold the spigot. So stay with Bruno for more quality and perfect work. And after the installation, I'll show you how beautiful, how quality look the work. Stay with Bruno for more work. Thank you. And if you need some of my contact, some of my service, my number is 055-68-8184. You are not far from the sea, as you can see. Right there is the sea. Yeah. So this is the perfect one for those who live around the sea, to prevent your barrister from the sea breeze, so that it will not rust. That is the sea just over there. Alright, stay with me. stainless work. Came here since Monday, today is Saturday. As you can see, we are done with all the installation of the glass balustrades, including the shower cubicles. Here is Cape Coast. Now, as I show you from the beginning, we are done with the installation.
Yeah, unfortunately there was a problem with the audio, so I just have to come in again. Yeah, but you can see the work for yourself, right? You can see how we started, and then how far we've gone. When it comes to finishes, Bruno, once again, he is your guy, right? So anything with your windows, with balustrades, door, gate, just get in touch with Bruno. If you have any design, any picture, just show it to him and he will make it happen. So once again, that is his number on the screen. If you want any ideas, if you want to see more of the work he's done before you give him job, if you go to my playlist, I mean, a lot of videos from Bruno, amazing jobs, top finishes he's been doing. I mean, he has good machines, right? He has good machines that will give you the clean cut in and the top finishes. So please get in touch with Bruno. Once again, thanks for staying till this far. I know this video is long, but if you are still watching till this point, I really do appreciate the time you spend to watch my videos. I hope it helps you in one way or the other. You can also forward it to friends, people that are also in their journey, building their dream house, and they might need some of these artisans that we share here on the channel. Some of the mistakes we put out there, they might also learn from it, right? So thanks once again, and I think I will sign up now. There's still about 2 minutes more to go, so if you want to see till the end, please do so. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Let's hit 10K by the end of this year, right? And please like the video and share it. On this channel you get everything, right? So from construction, from buying land, buying building materials, we put cost estimate also there just to give you an idea. So this is a channel that you have to share with your friends, anybody who is into construction, or anybody who is building or planning to build his or her dream house in the future. This is the channel that you have to share. I mean, you don't have to watch everything, but once in a while, that's why I created a playlist. So if you are following a particular project and maybe you are like, you just want to check out on those projects, you can always go to that playlist and continue from where you stopped, right? So once again, thanks for your time here. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look at do we